Hello guys, you might have got headache sometimes in your life. What do you prefer at that time? Do you apply balm or you just sleep it off? Most of the people take paracetamol, which is available under brand name as Crocin, panadol, etc. whenever they get fever or headache. But have you ever thought, is it correct to take paracetamol in any of this situation? Come, let's find out. You might be correct sometimes, but sometimes you might be wrong. Let's see what paracetamol is all about. Paracetamol is OTC medicine, which stands for over-the-counter medicine, which means you can buy this medicine without any doctor's prescription. This medicine is available at any pharmacy shop and even with every household. As this medicine is so much in use, we should have proper knowledge about its uses and side effects and many other things. So let's see some important things about this medicine on this video today. First, so when to take paracetamol? Paracetamol is used to relieve mild to moderate pain. Pain like headache, tooth pain, back pain, menstrual pain, arthritis pain, cold flu aches, and it is also used to reduce fever. Second, how many paracetamol tablets we can take in a day? Paracetamol is generally available as 500 mg tablets. You can take maximum of 2 tablets at a time, and in the whole day you can take maximum of 8 tablets into 4 divided doses. Means dose more than 4 grams should not be taken in a day. Please keep at least 6 hours gap between your 2 paracetamol doses. Third, so when to take paracetamol? On empty stomach or after food? Paracetamol can be taken in both ways, as it does not cause much gastric irritation, but it is recommended to take after a meal or with milk, or you can even take it after some food. Fourth, about how much time you should wait to observe its pain relieving effect. Paracetamol takes about 30 to 40 minutes to give its effect, so you should wait for at least this much time before taking any other actions. For children, you should consult your doctor before giving any medicine, as dose for children mostly depends on their weight. Paracetamol tablets can be given to the pregnant woman and breastfeeding woman with no harm. It is very safe in both the cases. Sometimes cold and flu medicines already contain paracetamol as an ingredient. In that case, no extra paracetamol should be taken. But it is not the case. People usually overdose with paracetamol as they do not see what kind of medicine they are taking. The side effect of paracetamol is allergic reaction like skin rash, and if this medicine is overdosed, this can cause liver or kidney damage. So attention should be given towards its dose. Hope this video has made an impact. Please like and share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe for health and fitness updates. Thank you.